Title: The Inspiring Journey of Shahrukh Khan Biography. Shahrukh Khan, often referred to as the King of Bollywood, is one of the most iconic actors in Indian cinema. Born on November 2, 1965, in New Delhi, India, Shahrukh's journey to success is nothing short of inspirational. His story reflects hard work, resilience, and dedication to his craft. Shahrukh's early life was marked by modest beginnings. His father, Mir Taj Muhammad Khan, was an Indian independence activist, and his mother, Latif Fatima, was a magistrate. Unfortunately, both his parents passed away before he reached fame. Despite these personal losses, Shahrukh remained committed to his dreams. Educational background: Shahrukh Khan attended St. Columba's School in Delhi, where he excelled in academics and sports. He went on to pursue a bachelor's degree in economics from Hansraj College, University of Delhi, and then joined Jamia Millia Islamia to study mass communication, although he never completed the degree as acting became his primary focus. Acting career: Shahrukh started his career with television, starring in popular TV shows like Fauji, 1989, and Circus, 1989-1990. His performance in these serials garnered attention, and he soon made his film debut with the movie Deewana in 1992. The film was a success, and there was no looking back. Over the years, Shahrukh Khan has delivered numerous blockbuster movies, including Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, 1995, Dil Se, 1998, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, 1998, My Name is Khan, 2010, and Chennai Express, 2013, among many others. His versatility as an actor is evident from his ability to seamlessly shift between romance, drama, action, and comedy. Awards and recognition: Shahrukh has won numerous awards, including 14 Filmfare Awards, which solidifies his place as one of the greatest actors in Indian cinema. His contribution to the film industry was recognized globally, and he was honored with several international awards, including the Ordre des Arts et des Lettres, 2007, and the Padma Shri, one of India's highest civilian honors, in 2005. Entrepreneurial ventures: beyond acting, Shahrukh Khan is a successful entrepreneur. He co-owns the Kolkata Knight Riders cricket team in the Indian Premier League, IPL, and runs Red Chillies Entertainment, a leading film production and VFX company. His business acumen has made him one of the richest actors in the world. Personal life: Shahrukh Khan married his college sweetheart, Gauri Chibbar, in 1991. The couple has 3 children, Aryan, Sohana, and Abram. Despite his busy schedule, Shahrukh remains a devoted family man, often sharing his love and pride for his family. Philanthropy: Shahrukh is also known for his philanthropic work. He supports various charitable causes, including healthcare, education, and women's empowerment. His contributions to society earned him recognition as a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador and several humanitarian awards. Conclusion: Shahrukh Khan's life is a testament to the power of perseverance and hard work. From humble beginnings to global stardom, his journey is an inspiration for millions around the world. Whether through his performances on screen or his contributions of it, Shahrukh Khan continues to be a true icon of Indian cinema.